Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently facing the issue on your Brawl Stars that you have the full screen problem and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So actually what you're going to do, you're going to close the Brawl Stars app completely, so just close it and then you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app on your phone and now you should be taken here. Scroll down just a little bit and then click on general. So click on general and as you can see we should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page scroll down a little bit and then click on storage as you can see. And unfortunately sometimes you will need to wait a couple of seconds for this to load completely depending on how much memory that you currently use on your phone basically. So if you're using a lot of memories it's going to take a couple of seconds, maybe even a couple of minutes for some of you unfortunately. But now as you can see it's done, so I'm just going to scroll down and click on Brawl Stars in here as you can see. And then what you're going to do in here is to just click on upload app. Once again click on upload app. Wait a couple of seconds. And we're going to wait and then click on the blue button here once again, because now you're probably wondering what will happen now, and that's a great question. Basically what you're going to do now by doing this step by step is that you will now basically to update your Brawl Stars app to the newest version, and that is going to fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous version. Actually I had the exact same problem before. I did this and I waited a couple of seconds for it to finish as you can see, and then I went back into my Brawl Stars app and now it was working for me, no full screen problem. So I hope that this will also be able to fix this issue for you as well.